Today we're here at Foghorn to see just exactly what this chicken is about and also discover if the chicken came before the egg or the egg came before the chicken. Tune in. We literally just walked past. We were trying to find a pizza place,
right,
and we thought this one looked cooler on the outside, so we decided to come in. So what do you all have?
Fried chicken.
Okay, is that just like the specialty item?
That's pretty much all we have.
Yeah.
5-piece, 10-piece, wing sandwich.
And is it like party wings or like whole wings?
Yeah, like that.
Okay. What would you suggest? I think the sandwich looks pretty good. It sounds good.
Best thing to go with.
Okay. I think I'll do that then. All right. That's all. So today we're here at Foghorn, and I decided I'm gonna try the chicken sandwich with black pepper, honey, and pickles. So let's see what this is about. Yeah, it's the black pepper honey. No, not syrup, honey. It's like pickles with mustard seed. Interesting. Oh yeah. Might have burned my tongue a little bit, but big deal. You wanna try?
Alright. That was really good.
Yeah, you should give her. The chicken sandwich is definitely a 10 out of 10. Black pepper honey was amazing. And if you're in the East Falls, Manayunk area, definitely come check this place out. Thanks for tuning in once again. Ciao, ciao.
It's over.